Sunday, June 11th. It's about 6:50. Been hiking for a little while. Got going about 6:30 this morning, so just a little bit. But plan for today, we've got 6 miles down to the road. I'm not sure which road it is, but it is the road into Rutland. And I believe the bus comes by there and picks up every 20 minutes. Comments and far out say you have to like flag it down or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get down there. And so once I get into Rutland, plan is to go to the Yellow Deli. It's obviously a deli, but it's also a hostel. So plan is to stay there, shower, laundry, catch a ride on the bus into Walmart and resupply. Do all the hiker chores and get caught up on videos, because I haven't done videos since, or I haven't put together videos, scheduled them out since Bennington, so I got to get caught up on that. So I'm going uphill now. I'm gonna put this phone away. I'm gonna get these 6 miles done so I can get into town. I'll show it to you when I get there. All right, we're in downtown Rutland, and we're hiking over to the Yellow Deli. Let's see if we can't stop, dirty. We're gonna see if we can't get a room and shower, start some laundry. I think it's right down here.